Good morning. It's 7 a.m. and we are on our way to Lake Louise to get on a double-decker open-air bus because it's the only one that allows dogs. And when we woke up, it was 49 degrees. It's gonna be so cold. But yeah, the last couple of days we've been just exploring, and we went to some really pretty falls.
We went to Mount Revelstoke National Park.
You look dead. Like,
ski jumping.
Glacier National Park, Yoho. What else?
It's been real cool.
It has been cool. Now we'll be in Banff National Park, and then we're heading north to Alaska tomorrow. Well, not straight to. It's gonna take like a week.
Yeah, straight to.
But yeah, stay tuned to see if Karma's gonna freeze her little booty off on the double decker.
Just like, screw you guys. Eat's on back here, and I have the whole bed to myself.
Getting on the bus.
Good morning. Good morning. How are you? Good.
Hi,
Give me
Karma.
your backpack, sir. I'm gonna put it.
Yeah.
Hello, welcome. I'm your bus guide to the.
We're the only ones wearing shorts and sandals, but it's really not that cold. Alright, we're gonna go.
I'm a little concerned about the dog, or about the cars riding by.
Karma, you having fun? They're $145 for a half hour to ride in one of these canoes.
Let's do it.
No. We have our paddleboard that I got on Amazon for like $5. That's insane. And for a full hour, it's $155. That is insane. And the tax. This is plus tax, which is like 8%, I think, or 6%. Yikes. We're gonna go to Moraine. Back on the bus. Hello, we're off the double-decker. We're now on the Icefields Parkway.
It's pretty sick, eh?
I just ate it down the hill in front of everyone. It was so embarrassing.
But hang on, I'll come out here and show you this giant ice field. Archie boards. I don't think so either. It's thick though. There's like huge boulders inside of it.
Hi.
Howdy.
We're in the van and the diesel heater's on, so you might hear some clicking and fan sounds like the last video.
Yeah.
Yep. But we are finally uploading all of the footage from 2023, so bear with us. It's been hectic with all the health issues and everything.
Quick traveling.
Yeah. But so we wanted to explain the cost of being in Banff and the double-decker bus. So that was the only way we could get Karma into the park. And I have everything written out here. So the double-decker bus included park fees, but we'll go over that too. So it was $90.77 Canadian, which is $67.52 US.
For a bus ride.
So, you know, we got on sale because we're from the US.
Yeah.
That's how we look at things. But yeah, it was a really expensive bus ride, pretty much. And it was really cold.
It was, because we got the early one.
Yeah.
So
Someone just pulled in next to us. We're in a parking lot. Yeah, the park fees. So we ended up going to 7 national parks in Canada. So we just got the family annual pass to, you know, make it worth it.
Which it is worth it for sure. If you're going to go to, especially in that area between, you know, the Icefields Parkway, there's so many parks that are accessible off the Parkway that it's definitely worth spending the, what was it, 100 and...
So it's $146 Canadian for the annual pass, but it's $109 US.
Right.
So in the US, it's $80 a year. So it's kind of a big difference, but they have a lot of really nice facilities in Canada.
They do.
Yeah.
Showers, bathrooms.
Really nice.
Really nice
They call them
websites.
like litter bins. They're everywhere, which is really nice. You know, I didn't feel bad spending that much.
Yeah.
And by going to 7 parks, it was really like just over $15 a park. So it wasn't that bad.
The only disappointing thing about Banff in that area is it's just so busy now that,
Oh yeah.
you know, all the videos and pictures you see on social media make it look like it's this like remote hike, or, you know, you round the corner, it's like, oh my God. But in reality, you have to take a tour bus to
Yeah.
get there. And then you get there and you're dodging other people for, you know, the shot.
I mean, it's beautiful, but
it is totally.
Yeah.
But it's just very crowded,
It's different.
very busy.
we recommend going to Yoho and Jasper.
Love that place.
Yeah, they're beautiful. We'll probably go back this year if we go back into Canada.
Yep.
It was really expensive. Let's see. Busy, expensive. That's what we have written down.
Yeah.
The canoes were insanely priced. So
It's
we
like
bought a
$200
paddleboard.
an hour or something.
Yeah. But it was too windy, so we couldn't even use our own paddleboard.
Yeah.
So, whatever. After this video, the next will be going to the Icefields Parkway. And that's in Jasper National Park, right? I think.
Just south of Jasper. It's in between Jasper, which is the north end, and then
Banff. And
Banff.
yeah. So we start our journey driving to Alaska. Yep. Okay. Follow along for more.
bye-bye now.